Hello, my name is Anil and my topic is Advanced Predictive Modeling Techniques for Enhanced Credit Card Fraud Detection. So, in the last one, I make mistakes and I study the feedbacks as well. So, I try to improve all my mistakes and cover all those mistakes that are written in the feedback. One of the mistake is that my topic is generic and I can't explain it very well. So I try to cover that one as well. And the other one, the main mistake is I wrote a lot of text. So I try to cover that as well. So let's start the topic and I will start my project rationale. So my project rationale in the initially I want to introduce that there are a lot of fraud detections happen which cause a billions of dollars loss because a lot of like frauds, card frauds are happened. Someone use someone else's card and credit out the money, do something else illegally, and there are lot of limitations in this one, and we need to advance that one for reduce the amount of the frauds. So in the furthermore we will try to I will try to explain that as well as much as I can in the limited time of 7 minutes in this presented video. And as I mentioned above, my topic is predictive modeling, and my project research type is empirical. So in this one we will study on the application of the predictive models that based on the predictive model, and my research type is empirical. So theoretical framework in the in this project I will try to explain and explore how the data science and machine learning algorithms are useful in the fraud detection, and how they can be helpful and how can they improve the improve our today's world applications for save us from the frauds of the card frauds. And we will review the models and identify the strength and limitations that are using nowadays. We will try to study them and explore them as much as we can. Furthermore, so my the methodologies that I am gonna use in my article and write down them is random forest and gradient boosting, and the last one is deep neural networks. I use these methodologies in my article for cover all those things and write the article in the methodologies portion. Furthermore, for the designing, I use the cross validation and k-fold. I use these two one for the design, and my objectives are simple. Like I want to improve the accuracy of the of the card fraud detection. I want to make it more accurate so that a lot of people can save their money and can secure them from the frauds, because a lot of frauds are open nowadays online from our cards. Some people collect our card data and use it. So for studying all these concepts and apply these methodologies on some data, we need to collect the data. So there are a lot of places from where we can collect the data. Public data sets, we can collect the data from one by calling the people and they will come, but it will a difficult task, but it is a way for collecting the data as well. We can give the pamphlet to the people and write down their point, and then we can make an analysis. Then we can after collecting the data from somewhere, from anywhere we want to collect the data, then we will do the pre-processing, in which we will do the normalization for making a unique range of that for the data from 0 to 1, and we will eliminate the extra data each and everything. And after doing this pre-processing, we will analyze the data. For analyzing in this one, we will find out the accuracy of the data, how much accurate it is, and how long gonna it will can be used in our for our thing, like how much it is more useful as compared to the previous model. In the analysis we can do that one. Furthermore, if there is a some model, any model can be perfect, there are some limitations and ethical concerns as well. So ethical concerns is the most, like you can say, the important word, because in this one we have to study the privacy, because the customer privacy is the most important thing. If you want to use your card somewhere, then firstly you will see is it secure or not. If you have listened any bad review about that one, then you are not going to use that website, any machine, anything like that. So the ethical concerns are the first. So these are the considerations which we have to keep in mind for this one, because a lot of frauds are start from here. And for applying our model in the, because it's not gonna be small one, so the hardware should be the good as much as it can be, and so that we can train our model easily, perform our functions, perform our task easily, and do the things easily as so that a computer can't be lag, can't be stopped, and it can be performed good. And we can use the tensor software for DNN, skitlearn for random forest. We use this software for performing the deep learning, like deep learning steps. And storage should be the secure one, where we store the data should be safe. It's not gonna be like that we will do and store the data and after some time it's gonna be destroyed. It shouldn't be like that one. This is my project timeline, how I um, collect the data, how I can do work on it, how I can start a topic, then write out down about its introduction, literature review, and furthermore till the report writing. And now I am presenting my video after that all. Furthermore, the project reflection. The project reflection is very clear. In this one, I learned my previous mistakes. I learned from them. I learned a lot because I write down each my mistake that is in the feedback and then improve those ones. In the initially I done that one, improve my skills, and then done the improvement on these points, and after that I write my assignment and done my all further works and improve my methodologies, each and everything. So that's it, and thank you so much for your time. Have a good day. Bye bye.